Hi students, now coming to the next chapter, that is Python variables and operators. In this video, let us see about the introduction of Python. Okay, so what is Python? Python is nothing but it is a programming language. Okay, everyone having a thought in their mind, that is, what is program? Why we are using program? Why should we study this program? What is the benefit of using program? You will raise a variety of questions like this in your mind. But you know one thing, nowadays everyone using social websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and everyone using games like Candy Crush, Super Mario, Clash of Clans, and so on. Do you know how these applications are working? We are using that social websites and playing games, but we don't know how that applications are working. These all the applications created by the programming language. Whatever applications we are using in the computer, whatever applications we are using in our mobile, that all the applications are created and developed by the programming language. So that is the main use of program. This Python is today's trending programming language. Okay, it is very popular in the largest companies such as Google, Instagram, Pinterest, Yahoo, Disney, IBM, Nokia. These largest companies are using this Python language. So many largest companies using this Python language nowadays. Okay, this Google company using Python in web search system, and this YouTube platform also made by the Python language. Okay, IEEE engineers from New York published one magazine. That magazine is IEEE Spectrum magazine. In this magazine, the engineers published Python as a top level programming language. Okay. In this magazine, the statistical data of all the languages are given. In that statistical data, Python stands at first place, which means it scored 100%. Okay. And C++ got the second place, Java got the third place, C got the fourth place. Okay. In fifth place, C hash, sixth place, PHP, next R, next eighth place, JavaScript, next Go, in the 10th place, assembly language. So Python is the top level language. Let us see the definition of Python. Okay, Python is the general purpose programming language. Python is what? General purpose programming language. Or you can say this, it is a high level programming language. Okay, it is a high level programming language. It supports both procedural and object oriented programming approaches. So it supports procedural languages and object oriented programming languages. Okay, procedural languages are what? C, Fortran, and Pascal. And object oriented programming languages, C++, Java, C hash. So this Python language supports this procedural languages and object oriented programming languages. Okay, it supports both of them. Who created Python? This Python language was created by Guido van Rossum. Where? CWI, which means this is National Research Institute for Maths and Computer Science. In which place? Netherlands. Okay, so this Python language was created by Guido van Rossum in Netherlands. Okay, this language was released in 1991. Okay, in which year? 1991. Next, key features. So what are the key features available in the Python? First point is, it is general purpose programming language. So we can use this scientific and non-scientific application. So we can use Python language anywhere. Okay, you can build anything using this Python language. That means scientific or non-scientific. You can build any applications, either scientific or non-scientific. By using this Python, you can develop software, you can create web applications, and you can create many applications. Okay. Second point, it is the platform independent programming language, which means you can run the same code in different operating systems without any changes, because it is compatible with the other operating systems also, such as Windows, Mac, Linux, and so on. Okay, so you can run this Python programming code in different operating systems. Okay, next point is programs written in Python are easily readable and understandable. What does it mean? Python program is very simple program, because C++, and Java, these programming languages are having syntax, header file, main function, and so on. But this Python language is simple programming language. Okay, you can understand this program easily because its programming codes looks like normal English text. Okay, so let us see one example. See here, this is C program. This is Python program. Okay. Suppose you want to print the statement hello world, or if you want to print your name, then what you will do? In C program, if you want to print your name or print a statement hello world, you have to write the header file, write the main function, and give the curly braces. You have to give the semicolon, and you have to write these all the things. So then only it prints this statement hello world. Okay. But in Python, if you want to print this hello world, you have to write just one line code. Okay. It will print this statement in the output screen, because the syntax of this Python is very simple, clean, and easy to learn when we comparing other programming languages such as C, C++, Java. So beginners also learn this language easily. Okay. So this is about the introduction of Python. Thank you.